Hello and welcome back to our How to Apex tutorials. My name is Jessica, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about what happens when you come to the end of a unit. So once again, I am in algebra because I'm a math teacher and I love math. And let's say I am almost done with unit 1. So one thing to note is you don't have to get all of these checkboxes. I'm at the end of the unit, but right, so I have stuff done and I'm missing some check boxes. That's totally fine. There's a couple ways that can happen. That could be I went into an overview and then instead of clicking continue, I went back and then I did this. So even though I did this, I didn't click continue at the bottom, so I didn't get the green checkbox, which is fine, right? You do have to get them for the quizzes and you'll have to get them for the written assignments at some point. But if I look here, the overview, right? I have a review, which is really nice. So I'm at the end of this unit. I've done everything. Again, the review is very similar to the checkup problems. So there's going to be what kind of looks like a worksheet where I can do some practice problems before I take my exam. And then on the second page, once I do it, I'm going to check my answers and go back and refresh my memory on anything I got incorrect. So that's a really great resource. So I did that. I'm going to click continue so I get my green checkbox, which again isn't 100% necessary. These are new to Apex this year. They were around 2 years ago and now we're back. So these are discussions. So it gives you a couple different prompts on the first page. And then it tells you them again on the second page, so you don't have to go back and forth, and then you're going to type in your response and hit submit. So obviously you're going to address each of the 4 problems. You're going to use school appropriate language, and this does count for a grade, so you do want to make sure that you're appropriately addressing all of the questions that they're asking you to do. So submit, and I made a submission. All right. So now there's this custom activity. So this is made by Pivot, and these are at right before what's called the CST, which is the end of the unit test. I believe it stands for computer scored test is what it stands for. And see, it's locked and I need to contact my teacher. So something I can do is click on this custom activity. It's only worth a point, but if required by your EC, you can submit your notes prior to requesting my test being unlocked or to reset any unit quizzes or tests. So in a couple videos ago, I said if you take a quiz, you only get 1 retry. So if I don't pass a quiz twice, I'm actually ended up locked out and I have to contact my educational coordinator. Your educational coordinator is going to ask, do you have any notes? You can kind of skip that process and just upload the notes, and then that gives the EC the heads up that you need something unlocked, whether that's the CST or quiz. So what we can do is you submit your notes through the Apex Center, and you submit it to your EC, not the teacher grader. So what I'm going to do is back on my dashboard. All right, here's my dashboard. I'm going to create a new message. So I'm going to click my EC, in this case, this is me. All right, again, your educational coordinator is different. Subject, I need an unlock, all right? For the message, you can put specifically what you need unlocked, a quiz or like the unit 1 CST. I tell all my students, you have to tell me what quiz you want unlocked. So quiz like, I don't know, 1.4.1. You're gonna go to submit homework. All right, the class, I'm submitting this for algebra. The activities, so this is where it's different. The custom, right? So you want to select the custom for whichever unit you're trying to work on. And then you would attach a file. So this is the same as any other written assignment. You attach your notes. So you can either download the Google Doc and look for it, or you can, there's an app called Cam Scanner. So like if you take your notes on paper, you need to convert that into a PDF file. So you need to basically take your written paper, physical paper, and convert it to the computer. And Cam Scanner, that's CAMSCANNER, is a great resource for that. In fact, let me show you. So there is a help section that'll take you to the actual Apex help website. And there is a way to do this. So you can do how to. There should be a written assignment. So I'm going to type cam scanner actually. Oh, submit written assignment. I knew what I wanted. I didn't spell submit right, so it's probably not going to pop up. Yeah. Submit. There we go. There's fax in this. Oh, who wants to fax things anymore? How to. Tutorial navigation activities. Student messages. Here we go. So there's message a teacher. Send homework attachment. Here we go. So this is a written version of what this video did. So that's how to do that. There is a way to do cam scanner. Let me find it really fast. So what I did to find this is I actually Google searched Apex cam scanner, and it's the first one that popped up. I'm not sure. It's under documents, which is not under their help. But this takes you, so see this person has a physical piece of paper. You're going to download this free app onto your phone, and it will help convert it to a PDF for you, right? So one way you can do it is get the PDF. You can email it to yourself, and then it'll be the same way to submit a written assignment. You go into Apex, you go through your message center, and you upload the document. You can also use the message center on your phone since you're already on your phone for this. But like I said, this new custom activity is an easy way to let your EC know that you're ready for something to be unlocked. And if you select your EC will actually get an email about it. So I would give them a few minutes, and then you can send them a friendly text. Hey, I submitted notes because I would like something unlocked, and they will get to you as soon as possible. But thank you so much. And in the next video, we're going to go ahead and go over how to check how many assignments you've done per day. But thank you.